In this video, we learn about Indian states, animal, bird, tree and flower. Andhra Pradesh. Animal, black buck. Bird, rose-ring parakeet. Tree, neem. Flower, jasmine. Arunachal Pradesh. Animal, mithun. Bird, great hornbill. Tree, halang. Flower, foxtail orchid. Assam. Animal, one-horned rhinoceros. Bird, white-winged wood duck. Tree, halang. Flower, foxtail orchid. Bihar. Animal, gaur. Bird, house sparrow. Tree, people. Flower, kanchnar. Chhattisgarh. Animal, wild buffalo. Bird, hill myna. Tree, sal. Gujarat. Animal, Asiatic lion. Bird, greater flamingo. Tree, banyan. Flower, marigold. Haryana. Animal, black buck. Bird, black francolin. Tree, people. Flower, lotus. Himachal Pradesh. Animal, snow leopard. Bird, western tragopan. Tree, deodar. Flower, rhododendron. Jharkhand. Animal, elephant. Bird, quail. Tree, sal. Flower, palas. Karnataka. Animal, elephant. Bird, Indian roller. Tree, sandalwood. Flower, lotus. Kerala. Animal, elephant. Bird, great hornbill. Tree, coconut. Flower, golden sour tree. Madhya Pradesh. Animal, swamp deer. Bird, paradise flycatcher. Tree, banyan. Flower, palash or parrot tree. Thank you for watching.